children, good morning one and all. Welcome to my class. Yes, we have learnt what is meaning of recycle, right? Yes children, now can you tell me what is the meaning of recycling? Yes, very good. Instead of throwing away, we are using something. Do you know that definition, right? Yes. Now, after knowing the definition of the recycling, which all can be recycled? Okay, there are types of waste, garbage. Which are the two types of garbage we learnt in our previous class? Yes, that is wet garbage and dry garbage. Isn't it? Yes. Give examples for wet garbage. Very good. Very good. It may be kitchen waste like remained food, spoiled vegetables, is waste of the peels of the vegetables. Okay. Then banana peels, tea leaves, tea powder waste. Okay. And other things which can be composted, which can be becomes the manure. Okay. Such waste we call as wet waste. Okay children. Yes. Give me example for dry waste. Yes. It may be plastics, papers. Okay. Then tea cups, paper cups will come. Write those. Okay. Then it may be your wrappers. Okay. So such kind of waste we say dry waste. Understood children? Yes. Now are you following the separation of the waste at your home? Yes. Please children, after understanding this lesson, we must follow this segregation of waste at our home. We have to separate dry waste and wet waste with using different bins at our home. It is the good manners of our citizens. Okay, will you do this? Yes. Yes children, now after understanding this wet garbage and dry garbage, how to separate it? Okay, let us move on to the further paragraph of this lesson. Okay, shall we come to the textbook, the page number 21. The very next day, Pepper learns from the school how to recycle paper. Look Papa, today at school we learned how to reuse a blank papers to make notepads, said Pepper. That's very good, Pepper. Papa was happy. That's very good, Pepper. Papa was happy. May I have a newspaper? I want to make shopping bags for Mama. No, not this one. Take some old newspapers from the back ad. Wow, recycling is fun. Your mother has come home with many plastic shopping bags. How will you recycle them, Pepper? Pepper began to think and came up with some amazing ideas of recycling. Yes, children, let us learn all these paragraphs and some of the activities with respect to this recycling in our today's class. Okay, children, come on. Children, now let us understand the lesson with the very next day, the Pepper learns from the school to make the notepads from the blank papers. See children, now you are first standard, right? After completing the first standard, the pages will be remain in your notebooks, isn't it? Those we say blank, khali, okay, blank papers. From those blank papers, he made one notepad. See, you can see notepad here. Okay. As I said before already, we were also making those blank papers as a new class workbook or a new rough notebook. Okay. By binding all those papers, we were using those. Okay. Same like that here, Pepper also made notepads by using the blank papers. Okay. You too will practice it. Okay. After completion of the academic year, notepad or the keynote means making the points. Okay. For that purpose, you can use such blank papers instead of throwing it away. Okay, by that you can reuse the blank papers in such a way. Okay, will you do children this? Yes. Same thing the paper also done. Papa. Look Papa, I have learnt to make the notepads by the blank papers. The paper said. Okay, how the Papa will reply? Very good Pepper, I am very happy. Okay, I am very happy to see you Pepper. It is very good. You have made a notepads by using the blank papers, he said. Okay, even your parents also will become happy if you are doing so. Okay children, the opposite word for good, bad. Okay, the Pepper father become very happy. What is opposite word for happy? Sad. Happy, sad. Okay, yes. Next what happened, what the Pepper will do, let us see now. Okay, may I have a newspaper? So Papa was reading a newspaper. Okay, the Pepper will ask, may I have this newspaper Papa? He will ask, who? Pepper. What the Papa will say, let us see now. Okay, I want to make shopping bags for Mama. Okay, shopping bags, you know shopping bags, right? Oh, such shopping bags I want to make, I want to prepare. So please give me newspaper, like that Pepper will ask to the father. Okay, what the father says? No, not this one. Don't take this today's newspaper. Okay, still mommy has to read this newspaper and others has to read. Okay, so take some old newspaper from the backyard. What is the meaning of backyard? Backyard means an area behind the house. An area behind the house. We can say hittalu we say, right, in Kannada. So that we say backyard. Okay children, from the back, in the backyard we will be stored or in the storeroom we can say. Okay, we all will be stored old newspapers in the storeroom. Take those old newspapers to make shopping bags, like that Papa said. What is the opposite word for old? New. Okay, old, new. Okay. Next, okay Papa, I will take old newspaper from the backyard, like that Papa said, and he collect the newspapers, old newspapers. He prepared the shopping bags for the Mama. You can see shopping bags from the papers. Okay? Yes. In shopping bags, he said, wow, recycling is so fun. Do you feel children? Recycling is fun? Yes, really it is fun children. Okay? Making use of waste and preparing the best things, you will feel very happy and very fun. Wow, I have prepared this. So such a happiness will be there for you children. So please do whenever you are free, whenever you are having the free time, please do such things and make up time, utilize and also reduce the waste. Okay children? Yes. We all go with an empty hand to the shopping. Okay. From the shopkeepers, we will take the plastic carry bags, isn't it? And we will bring the things. Okay. Is it a good children? No, it's not good. Okay. You have to take your carry bags from the home itself. Okay. Don't take the plastic carry bags. Okay. And use the eco-friendly carry bags like paper shopping bags. Okay children, will you follow this? And wherever you see carrying the plastic covers, you have to tell them, first you follow, later you tell to your family members and neighbors, okay, to reduce the usage of plastic. Okay, plastic is very harmful to the nature children. So far, as much as possible, we have to reduce the usage of plastic. Okay? Yes. Now here Papa is telling your mother, she will come always with the more shopping bags of plastic shopping bags. What? How will you recycle these plastic bags? The Papa will ask to the Pepper. What will be the answer? Do you know children? What you will do with the plastic shopping bags? Yes, you will make some other magic things with the plastic shopping bags. You can see here some of the examples. Okay, look at here. Yes, like this we can make some of the things with the plastics. Okay, so the Pepper also done the same. He started to think, and he came up with the amazing ideas. What kind of ideas? Amazing means what? Wonderful ideas he brought to make the plastic bags to recycle those plastic papers and make new things. Okay, what are the such better ideas you think and share with your family members? Okay, children. Okay, and as much as possible use eco-friendly shopping bags. Okay, always whenever you're going for the shopping, okay, you take shopping bags from the home. Okay, avoid uses the plastic carry bags. Okay, children. Okay, now let us see some cap questions in your textbook. Okay, what are the different methods in which you can reduce waste at home? Okay, children, at the home, how can you reduce the waste? Tell me how. Yes, kitchen waste we can collect that, put to the plants in our garden. Okay, it will be a good manure for the plants, and the plants also grow very healthy. Okay, so you can use that kitchen or wet waste in such a way. Okay, don't put in the dustbin. Okay, then like same thing I said now, use the shopping bags from the home itself. Don't buy from the outside. Okay, then you can reduce the pollution and go by walk near distances. Don't use the petrol or the diesel usage of vehicles oftenly, so that you can reduce what? Air pollution in the atmosphere, isn't it? Yes, and use these waste papers and make what? Tiffin plates and paper glass of water at your home, so that you can reduce or reuse the waste things. Okay, and such like that you can reduce the waste at the home. Okay, children. Now one more cap question. To reduce the newspapers, bundle of newspapers will be stored in the storerooms, right? So you can sell those and get a less amount of money, and there will be no satisfaction. Only you can sell and get some amount of money. But instead of that, you can make different new wall hangings by the newspapers, and pencil box from the newspapers, and beautiful decorative items you can make by the old newspapers, and wall hangings also. Okay, you can see some of the examples are here. Okay, so please, whenever you are free after watching the videos and completion of all your writing works, okay, so you take the help of your parents and do such good things by the old newspapers. Okay, don't demand for any valuable things. Okay, whatever you have, gum, glue, okay, with that only you make such a beautiful hangings, craft things, so that your parents also becomes happy and you also will be happy. I made such a good thing. Okay, children, so that you do such things. Okay, with this we have come to the end of this chapter, learning to recycle. Do you understand, children, what is the meaning of recycling? Yes, here are the 3R, children. Okay, 3R, that is reduce, reuse and recycle. Okay, see children, reduce means we have to reduce the waste. Okay, and reuse means we have to use again, which can be reused. Okay, and recycle, which cannot be reused directly, so that you can recycle those and you can use it. Okay, so 3 R's we follow which are non-recyclable, so don't use those much. Okay, so that we have to eco-friendly. How we are friend with the nature, nature also will be friend with us. Okay, if we are harming to the nature, nature will harm you very badly, children. Okay, so that we have to treat the nature very well, so that nature also will treat us very well. Okay, so we have to be thankful to the nature always, and we have to respect and we have to maintain cleanliness so that we have a long life. Okay children, thank you. Bye bye. Have a nice day. Watch all the videos and keep learning.